Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sign up for HubSpot Academy, so let's get right into it. Now, HubSpot Academy is basically an online course system where you can find courses that HubSpot has endorsed themselves or that are made by HubSpot partners and employees, where you can get certifications for some of your skills or learn new skills to add to your CVs, such as LinkedIn, Upwork, etc. And it is very good to use if you want to learn something new. Now you can click here to sign up for free courses, or you can search the popular courses here at the bottom of the main page, and you can select whichever one you want. So for example, I will select digital marketing, and as you can see, you have certain ones that are blocked behind certain plans which you need. So I'll just go with digital marketing, click start certification, and once you do, select the account you want to use with this course. And once you're there, I'm not sure why it always boots me here. As you can see, digital marketing is currently in progress, so I'm pretty sure that's what I selected. So let's go to there. Once you click on that course, it'll take you here, and you'll need to go through this entire course to the left. You'll have certain videos that you need to go through, some community events you might need to go through as well. And once you're finished with that, you will get your certification, and that is basically it. All you need basically is a HubSpot account, go to the Academy page and sign up for whichever course you want, and it's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.